Hey everyone, MK here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share my experience in science stream during my 11th and 12th grade. As you all know, science stream is one of the most challenging stream in high school, but it's also one of the most rewarding. So let's dive into my journey and see what I have learned along the way. In 11th grade, I was excited to start my journey in science stream. However, I soon realized that it was not going to be easy. The syllabus was very vast and the concepts were complex. I struggled to keep up with the pace of the classes, and I found it challenging to balance my studies with my extracurricular activities. But I didn't give up. I sought help from my teachers and peers, and I started to develop a steady routine that worked for me. In 12th grade, things got even more challenging. The pressure to perform well in boards exam was high, and I had to put in extra efforts to prepare for them. I spent long hours studying, revising, and practicing past papers. I also took mock tests to assess my progress and identify areas that needed improvement. It was a stressful time, but I knew that it was worth it. I learned some valuable lessons that I will carry with me for life. I learned the importance of perseverance, discipline, and time management. I learned that it's okay to ask for help when you need it, and that failure is not the end of the road. So, that's my experience in science stream during my 11th and 12th grade. It was challenging journey, but it was also rewarding one. If you are currently in science stream, don't give up. Keep pushing yourself. Seek help when you need it, and believe in yourself. You can do it. So, those are some of my mistakes I made. If you are new in this channel, you can see my more videos which will help you definitely further. Or if you have any suggestion or doubt, then you can comment it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.